lost in the wind. Pussy like dust in the wind.
The business. What you say, Jenna?
Lose it without you. I can't help myself from thinking about you. And I know you feel the same. Something that I've been wanting to say. Yeah. What you think about us, baby? What you think about us, baby? What you think about us? I could be wrong, but it could be love. What you think about us, baby? Yeah. It's the way you're looking at me, staring in my eyes, so deep. What?
You see, this hair is from Longqi Beauty. So I also received this wig grip, so I don't have to glue down my wig or anything. So the way I put it on, it's like, oops. So this way I don't have to glue on my wig. So the wig that is also from Longqi Beauty is this. This clips right here. It's clip in the back.
Adrian, swish. I really wanna lay back with you all night. Sweatpants and a full glass. Real talk, you are on mine. When I text, boy, you call back. I'm the one that you fuck, but fuck it, I'm the one that you love. Girls in the club that ain't good enough, get hot with me now. See smoke when we puff, yeah. I got you. Looking at me saying, baby, I want you. Lighting the flame, you tell me my name. You pass me the blunt and I do what you want to. Take a breath, hold it in. Set sheets on my skin, clothes off, turn your phone off. Got missed calls all night, damn, where the hell have you been? You were right here with me, so often I got you a key. Unlock the door, let me down on the floor, and tell me you like what you see. In love that we trust, the feeling is better with lust. The language we speak with our bodies, my baby, get on me, shut me up, I'm talking too much. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. I really wanna lay back with you all day. Couple shots at the crib. I kept refusing to tell you I love you, but baby, you know that I did. I said no labels, it's easier thinking that we could be friends. But don't let me catch you looking at no women, I just cannot take it, you know what it is. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. Said I'm not perfect, but you swear that I am, no. And I promise you see me through all the shit that I'm going and been through. Remember the first time you fucked me, the first time you held me, the first time you bought me a meal. Remember the first time you touched me right under the table, that feeling still gives me the chills. You're not perfect, but I swear that you are though. You're not perfect, but together we are. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Baby, I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew. Lately, I feel like I wanna be with you. Oh, I do. I can't help but tell you that it's true. Lately, I'm in love with everything you do. If you only knew, if you only knew.
wig grip. I didn't add any baby hairs, but the wig is not going to move off my head. So that's pretty good with the wig grip. This is pulling it off, but the wig grip is tight on my head. So this is a 10-inch wig. It is 150 density. Like I said, it's from Longqi hair also. So these blonde highlights came in the wig, which I really think is a cute little touch. This wig is 10 inches also. And you seen me curl the hair, so the hair was originally straight. The wig did come bleached already, so I did not have to go through and bleach the knots. And with shedding and tangling, I really barely get tangling. I mean, I don't get tangling at all. I got a little hair shedding, but that was about it. So other than that, this unit is really, really pretty. And if you're interested in purchasing this unit, it will be in the description down below. And so will details of the company, and so will if you were interested in getting the wig grip also, which the wig grip ain't nothing but like $9, I believe. It's not expensive at all. It's just something so you don't have to glue down your wig or anything, something really quick. So I love it. So yeah, thank you for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you have any questions, comment, concerns. Comment down below. And yeah, bye guys.
I would wait for your boss. Don't be late, no, no, no.